everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in to Crown Direct account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.crownhotels.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. You'll be able to see the login area displayed on the right hand side of the screen. Provide your email address associated with your crownhotels.com account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After you are done, click Login. And there you have successfully logged in to your Crown Direct account. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.